Hello, welcome back to another look at the perspective grid in Illustrator. We're going to be again working with the perspective selection and grid tools. So let's just, we can, for instance, draw a shape using the intersection points there. One thing that you may want to do is sort of like duplicate this, or maybe even move it to a different plane, like the ground plane here, right? So how are we going to do that? Well, we can go back to our selection tool, and if I press Alt on it, you see I'm going to get another one. And as you might expect, if it goes directly into the little piece there. Okay, so we've got the duplicate. What if I wanted it to be on the ground plane instead? What I can actually do is you'll notice that when you look at the horizontal grid, it's number 2, right? So all I have to do is drag this, and you see it's still in left sort of mode. If I press 2, then it goes onto the ground plane, and then I can put it down there instead. Another thing you'll notice is it's getting smaller here as I go in like that. You may not want that to happen. In that case, you can press the number 5. You see it draws a line, and then I can put it like, I don't know, like here or something like that. Or I could Alt, and then I could use 5, pull them over there. You see I'm only going in a straight line there. Another thing you can do is also change the vanishing plane. So if I double click there, here's the left vanishing plane. Let's do 385 copy all objects. 285 copy all objects. So that way I can get like a cool like thing going like that. If you go to Effect and go to Extrude and Bevel, this is actually a way that I could get it to be like a 3D object, right? Rather than just working with sort of 2D, I could just bump up this. And then I could use my perspective selection tool and we could just sort of drag it in towards the vanishing point, something like that. So you could like move the X rotation a bit as well if you wanted to get it into place, because obviously when you do 3D, that might look a bit better, for instance. And then again, we could just work with the this section, the vanishing plane, and move that to 385. So that would be another way to get like a cool effect. If you press Alt, by the way, on this, you can sort of go between various different modes for the different things here. And Control Shift I will delete everything. But that is going to do for now, so thanks for watching.